Throughout the history of mankind, there have been four notable revolutions in history: the cognitive revolution, the agricultural revolution, unification of humankind revolution, and the scientific revolution, which we will be focusing on today. Part 4. The Scientific Revolution. The scientific revolution began around 1500 CE. Science was specifically used for innovation. And innovation meant discoveries and inventions and ways to do things more efficiently and easily. And before then, most innovation had occurred on accident without the intention of creating something. But innovations led to consequences such as war, where people wanted to advance their military technologies. For example, World War I and World War II are examples of where military technologies such as nuclear innovation were heavily dependent on to win the war. Science, military, industry, all are linked by capitalism. Europeans have had a major impact on how the modern-day global economy runs in regards to the integration of capitalism in every aspect of our lives through mass production and consumerism. And even though nothing set Europe apart technologically or scientifically from other countries at the time, Europe was still able to spread their ideology of supply and demand throughout the world. But why were specifically Europeans so successful? The key to their success was admitting ignorance. When they admitted their ignorance, that left open the possibility of discovering new things, and this is called the European mindset. The European mindset allowed for the global economic pie to grow substantially over time, allowing everyone to take a larger slice of the pie. But at the cost of making the economic pie bigger, we sacrificed individual satisfaction. The idea of success was driven by faith and trust in the future and imaginary credit, which allowed entrepreneurs to open new businesses, and when those businesses prospered, faith in the economy grew. Progress is built on the idea that if we admit our ignorance, we can fund scientific research in order to further drive the economy. But with such economic prosperity brings our morality and ethics into the question on whether success truly dictates our overall happiness as a collective species. And with such an abstract individualistic idea to measure, it's the individual to say whether our happiness is made greater due to our advances in science and technology. Humans have the ability to adapt and change depending on the situation, and considering our non-stop advances in various areas of science, conflict with our morality should invoke questions regarding the responsibility we have as a species to identify our values, because mindless innovation is reckless innovation.